stop right now if you're a bag lover and you want to save money. I have this new unboxing here that once I open her up and show you what's inside, I haven't even seen her, but I'm sure from what the pictures look like, I'm sure she's gonna be awesome. So let me just show you. Hold on. Okay. I won't be before you long, so just give me a second to show you. 1 second, let me take her out the box. So I'm already impressed with the presentation. This box is beautiful, beautiful. You can seriously use this for decor in your closets and all that, or on your bookshelves. So cute, so cute. All right, let me go ahead and look inside. Packaging. She's very nicely packed in plastic because I guess the company just wanted to protect her from the elements, you know. So I'm taking her out all the plastic, and she's got a nice cushion cover, and this is the dust bag. Already, I'm impressed with the dust bag. Very nice quality, good cotton. All of the label for the name of the company is there. On the inside of the box, she comes with tissue with the LV all over it. I love that. As well as bows. So if you want to give her away as a gift, you can. This looks like the receipt. This is the same type of packaging. This is like mirror quality so far. I haven't seen the bag yet, but so far. And what else? I thought I saw something else in here. And there's a card in here. Just a little credit card. Just cute, cute, cute. All right. Well, in case you want to see it, here you go. Just a little cute card. All right. So let's get into the bag, shall we? Oh. Okay. So I'm blown away because initially when the company reached out to me, I was concerned about the I'm just taking all the little plastic off. They have everything protected, the hardware, the little patina leather, cowhide leather right there. The straps, I've taken all of that off. Okay. I can already smell the cowhide leather. You guys know, maybe the one thing that distinguishes me from the other ladies is the fact that I love leather. Like, I will go out of my way to just buy a leather bag. Now, this bag is canvas mostly, but one of my concerns was that the handles and everything wouldn't be, it wouldn't be cowhide leather. And that's, to me, a telltale sign of the quality of a bag, you know. I don't want to see peeling and things like that, but this is beautiful. They did a wonderful job. They've got the leather. They have the embossing for Louis Vuitton on the handle. Let me take this off. Oh my God, you guys, it just smells so good. The stitching is perfect. I don't see a stitch out of place. If you look at that, there is not a stitch out of place. And for me, a telltale sign of authenticity is usually this red edging that you see along the back. That's the perfect burgundy deep red. It's not a bright red that you see sometimes on certain handbags. It's not that at all. I am so impressed. And this is saving thousands of or hundreds of dollars. Yeah, save that money and go and invest in yourself. Make some investments and get your bag, but at a cheaper price. Oh my goodness, look at that. I didn't know that they could do this. Honestly, I did not know. On the back here, there is a zipper. So we're gonna see what all we can get inside. Let me see what's. And I've studied this bag because I've wanted this bag for some time now. When this bag first came out, I looked at this bag. I contacted my SA. Well, I still say SA. I know most of you guys say CO now. But this bag was completely sold out. Could not buy her. And she's probably available now. I'm not sure because once I'm on a bag and I can't get her, I just lose interest and I'm done with it. But when Teresa, hey Teresa, from the company Babala is the name. I'm going to have all the information below. If you're watching this on another social media platform like Instagram or TikTok, you can DM me or inbox me for the information. But the tag is in here just like it's supposed to be. The serial number. Let me see the inside. They have her nicely stuffed. I'm so impressed. I'm so thrilled to own this bag. You guys just don't know. Last year, most of the summer, because I didn't work last summer, so most of the summer I just wore my black bum bag like this. And so that was the bag that I kind of settled on because I couldn't get the monogram, you know. Okay, it's got the little silica jelly in here, or gel, and the little, you know, tabs that they put in the bags. So I'm very impressed with everything. I love everything about this bag. That's the inside. There's cowhide leather on the tag back here. She just looks gorgeous. I don't see any imperfections. There's LV on the hardware. Let me see. And I think there should be LV on some of the buckles as well. Let me check. I don't see it. Let me see. Oh, there is. See? Right here. Can you see that? So they have everything. I mean, just the smell of this bag alone. You guys, this is a very good quality bag. You should definitely go check them out. I have all the information below, and I have a discount code for you. So my discount code is 18 doves. Get you some money off of it, a certain percentage they'll give you off depending on the, you know, what you purchase. Excuse me. But let me show you what fits inside really quickly. So I can fit my key clay in here. I think I can fit a full-size wallet. Oh my goodness, I can. I can fit a full-size wallet. Let's see, a notebook, lip gloss, sanitizer. All of that fits inside. Some Tic Tacs, lotion. All of it fits inside. And if you want to dress her up, you can. You can get your little accessories. That would look so cute. You guys, go check them out. Tell them 18 Doves sent you. I'm so impressed with this company. Let them know how excited I am about them. And go buy you a bag, girl. All right. Thank you for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.